Campaign for Just and Fair Delimitation volunteers, accompanied by a large number of supporters, attempted to storm the Imphal East Census office today as a part of their ongoing movement to defer the census operation until illegal immigrants are identified. Security forces intervened, stopping the protesters at Porampad crossing and allowing only 10 representatives to enter the office for talks with officials. The volunteers of the Campaign for Just and Fair Delimitation decried that their proposal to defer the census operation remains unheard despite repeated pleas to the Manipur governor, chief minister and MLAs. Details of the discussion remain undisclosed as the representatives have not emerged from the meeting till the time of filing this report.
Manipur government situation je moi loi khangi lengak tudra loire yana oina da tauriba piriba phamduna maram moikanda yana oina da thamaka da lengak tudna bonaba lengak tuba tudaba ekoi madom da sanction de but ekoi mirol kalausi haiba agenda sta leche mi to khandong si haiba sida Manipur government na India government na aduk sauning be si maram karigeno aduk nasung dirigi maram karigeno Union Home Minister Amit Shah na detain deport na haiba SRI gi pota only for Bangladeshi kaltara Myanmar gi poti yaudabra ekoi da sanction leba Manipuri pota aduna chomba wahang ji jakoi yam hangningi aduna maram orkanda hojik leiriba phibam ma se ekoi mayam tumina lebe yade Manipur da leiriba miyam punamak se ekoi jeb dina matam gi matungina lauktorok pada ekoi ungjang changchen minasi hojik oriba phibam se kan sachi geraba aduma pola mani aduna hojik assembly se ekoi ngairi still ngasi buk thaba matamni adui matungina tongan ba ekoi kongjang changchen na sem sari